In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background from an image in Adobe Express. This is a quick, reliable way to isolate a subject for product shots, profile images, social posts, or thumbnails, all without complicated manual masking. Start by opening Adobe Express on the web or in the mobile app, then open an existing project or create a new design. If you're starting fresh, pick a canvas size that fits your goal, like a square for social or a custom size for a flyer. Don't overthink it. You can always adjust later. The key is simply to have a design open so you have a place to work. Next, add your image to the canvas. You can upload from your device or drag and drop directly into the project. Most common file types like JPG and PNG work well. For the cleanest cutout, choose a high-resolution image with a clear subject and good lighting. Once the image lands on the canvas, scale and position it so the subject is fully visible. Try not to crop too tightly at this stage. Giving the tool a little space around the subject often produces better results. Now select the image so its Properties panel appears. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box around it, and the editing options show up on the side. If you don't see anything, click the image again to make sure it's active. This step is important because the background removal feature only shows up when an image is selected. With the image selected, look to the left image panel and choose Remove Background. Adobe Express will analyze your photo, find the main subject, and automatically remove everything behind it. You'll see a short progress indication, and then the background will disappear, revealing a transparent area on the canvas, often shown as a checkerboard pattern. That's your cue that the cutout is complete. If the subject has clean edges and good contrast, the results are usually excellent right away. For busy scenes or fine details like hair, give the tool a moment. It's still remarkably capable. At this point, your image is cut out and ready to use directly in your design. You can layer it over colors, gradients, or other graphics, and it will blend naturally thanks to the transparency. If you don't see the Remove Background button, double-check that the image is selected and not grouped with other elements. That's all it takes. Open or create a design, add your image, select it, and hit Remove Background. Simple, fast, and professional looking in just a few clicks.